We got our own private beach here. Look at this. So we are at Delta Lake State Park in Rome, New York. You can see the leaves are starting to turn. Oh, that one's new over there, the van.
What?
That wasn't there when we come in.
No, I told her that.
Oh,
I thought
okay.
that's the one you're talking about that time.
Oh
Yeah,
no,
that's
there's
one.
another one over there. So there's two vans now here. This side is the men's side, so the other side's women's. That's a cool thing. Look at the flag. Look at him walking, Freddie. Freddie's so cute.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh yeah, it is water right there. Nice how people are able to face their camping side to the water.
There's that one with the pop-up thing.
Oh, that's the one I meant, yeah. Yeah,
That's the one. You think?
I'm thinking.
Huh,
Yeah,
yeah.
I know. Yep, see it? Little pop-up. Cute, right?
That's tall, too.
Yeah, it is. It is.
That's nice, like 2 feet
Yeah.
of water.
Yeah, exactly. It's nice, but we just love our water sites, I guess.
Yeah.
So much more relaxing.
Like you're pretty lucky as far as getting some good sights.
Yeah, for late in the year. Yeah, so we've been lucky to grab these water sites. And this is Loop A.
That spot that we have now, that'd be great to spark it up. And that's where I forget how much it is, how much it was a night, do you remember?
I can't remember. $30 a night with electric.
Is that what it was?
Roughly, I think, yeah. Yeah, $30 a night with electric. Yep, see, there's the bathrooms right there. And there's the trash right there. bathrooms are really clean.
Okay.
Yeah, the bathrooms here are really clean. It's like tiles in there. Yeah, it's nice. Mm-hmm. Yep.
That's very fast.
And there's little pathways too to go to the bathroom. So you don't have to sneak through somebody's spot or even like an empty spot. Because we don't go through anyone's camping spot. And it's good too because you don't have to walk all the way around. So there's little, you know, pathways. See, there's another one there. But I don't know if that's shower or what, because I don't think there's showers in them because I didn't see any. But I mean, really, all these spots are nice and wide.
Yeah.
And the people between them, they're spaced.
Yep.
So they're not like right there, you know? That might be a showers. I don't know. I should go in it and see. Let's see if this is a showers or just bathrooms here. Wait a minute, honey. See how nice the bathrooms are? Super, super nice and clean. Nope, bathrooms. Look at it, super nice and clean. Hi. Bathrooms. And only, and there aren't any showers.
Yeah, that's fine.
That's fine, yeah. Yep, so that's the exit out, and then you go left to leave. Gotta go poop poop, Fred? No? Okay.
You gotta go poo poo? Huh? Go poo poo, go.
Nope.
Quiet.
It is quiet, isn't it? Now this is really nice. A nice, quiet time. Freddy's like trying to run away. Ooh, he sounds like Freddy. He sounds like Freddy.
Little guy.
Oh, how cute. Yep.
Little guy.
I think the bark is bigger than his size. Hi.
Cute little guy.
I know. His bark is bigger than his body.
They usually are, huh?
Yeah, exactly. Look at that beautiful sunlight. Look. Do you remember how many loops are in here? There isn't many. Okay.
This is the only one that has like by the water.
Oh, is it the Lupe? Okay.
Yeah, the only one that has.
Okay, so Lupe is the only loop that has sites by the water. Okay. And there's more water right there. Potable or potable or whatever you want to call it. Oh yeah, see, it's not bad, is it? A nice walk, actually. I like that the loop isn't huge. Good morning on this 49-degree sunny morning. Delta Lake. Just curious, what is this foam from? So you can see it, look, it goes all the way around the edge. Creepy. Huh. Very odd. Quiet. Not a lot of people here. Well, we had an unfortunate thing happen. We actually left our rolls in our little zippered compartment of our table, and we got up in the middle of the night and there was a skunk, and didn't realize till this morning, but he took my wraps. That skunk, he must be full. And this must be where he got his little, this was zippered up. Must be where and he took the brand new one too. This is where he must have got it unzipped and stuck his little paw in there. And this, there was 5 in this package. Okay, lesson learned. Put the rolls up. Hey everybody, good morning. Just a reminder to always put your food up. We had a little skunky friend here in the middle of the night, and he got into our little zippered, let me see if I can point to it. Our little zippered, trying to point to it. Right there. It was all the way zipped up. And come on, Freddie. Come on, baby. And, hold on. Come on, Fred. No. Come on. No. 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 Come on. Get over here, mister. He actually had unzipped because my husband got up in the middle of the night and he saw his little skunky tail. Nope, come on, Freddy, come on. And he must have unzipped that little thing where we have our rolls and stuff. And he ate 5 hamburger rolls. And he dragged my whole bag of Mission wraps into the woods over there. So no matter where you are, if you're in any kind of woods at all, you don't have to be a forest or anywhere, make sure you put all your food up out of the way. So, lesson learned.
You must have been right up in there trying to looking up there.
Yep, we have evidence of the thief. Look at him, that little skunky. And that's how we roast some bagels.
I need a boat, Lori.
You need a boat.
I need a boat. If I had $1 million, right? Are you videoing?
Yeah, I got your, just your top, your, to make you happy. Jeez.
Is that a picture? Of all of us? We should get a picture.
There we go. This is our second night here, and this was breakfast. Bagels and sausage. Vegan sausage, of course. And I ate a little bit of vegan egg. But this is a really nice place, Delta Lake in Rome. Just be aware that they are close to an Air Force base where they must practice coming in, landing, and taking off. So you'll get those in the day. We don't know if they do it one day a week or every day, but Tuesday night they didn't, but they did yesterday. So Freddie, come on, baby, come on. He's looking for his daddy. So, and it is quite loud. Freddie is afraid of like loud noises. So, come on, Fred. Just be aware that that happens here. We haven't heard anything today yet, but come on, Freddie. Come on, baby.
When you see it, you see it.
Okay. So, my husband found something else very out of the ordinary. You know, we've had little critters here. I love all these trees. But he was out early this morning looking around, and then all of a sudden he spotted something kind of weird, and I jumped. Oops. Boo. I like jumped. Oh my word. Okay. Oh my word. Yeah, I jumped like this driftwood. Here, look how long it is. I found a few rocks. Of course, this is only a lake, so let's see. I see another one right here. That one is pretty cool. Probably just a river rock, but that's pretty cool. Let's see. Very cool, very nice place. The only thing that I do have to say is that there's an Air Force base close to here, and it's not very active, but they do, we think they do practice landing and taking off. So you hear that noise, like it's almost like an airport noise. Yeah, that we're not too fond of, but especially with our dog. If you have a dog with anxiety, yeah, this definitely would not be a place for your dog. Our dog Freddie, he has anxiety bad, and he is not happy with those planes. But today is our last day here, last night here. Again, this is Delta Lake in Rome, New York. You can see where the fall trees are coming in. See, kind of, I don't know if you can see it out that way, but fall is coming in. After Labor Day, there is, I do believe there's no entrance fee, but you do have to pay here to camp. And if I do remember right, there is, as we were coming in that way, there's a boating area where if you have a boat, you can, there's docking for it. And since this is only a lake, I'm sure this is not sea glass at all, but still a little cool. It's a cool little piece. Blueberries. Yeah, I don't know if you can eat these or not, but while camping, look at that. This is by spot 6, and it looks like it's a trail right through there. This is in Lupe, spot 6. Nice and peaceful. Last sunset here. Gorgeous view. Boop! Then we got Freddie. 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 getting his treat. Well, everybody, we are packed up and ready to leave. My thoughts on the park? Very, very good. The only thing was the planes above that, you know, if you have a pet and they have anxiety, you know, depends on how bad their anxiety is, but Freddie, our dog, is very anxious. So other than that, it was a quiet, very quiet place. Pet friendly. Right now, I think it's because it's after Labor Day. There is no entrance fee. They say pet friendly. Bathrooms are excellent, clean. You get this gorgeous view right here. And Loop A is the water sites. I think there's 3 loops, A, B, and C. We didn't get to the other loops, of course, but definitely I recommend Delta Lake State Park in Rome, New York, definitely. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to like and subscribe for more videos coming up. Peace. It's all packed up and ready to go for the next adventure.